Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to basically loosen up a tire that's stuck on the car. If you noticed, I've removed all the bolts, but it's just stuck on there, and it's usually because of the rust and everything, or just stays on there. So I'm going to show you how to basically get it off. You get it off the ground, but make sure you put in 2 bolts, kind of like loose, but make sure they're on there. And the reason you do this is you're going to be hitting the tire from the inside out, and you don't want the tire flying off and basically, depending on where you are, probably damage something or get lost. So let me go ahead and get a good angle on it so I can show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so what I've done is taken this garden tool and basically just patted it, because I'm going to be hitting it on the tire portion. If you have a mallet, that's good. I'm going to be doing it with just a regular hammer, and it should pop out the tire. Make sure you just put it, you can get this at a good angle. Yeah, basically right there on the tire, and let's see if I can hammer it out. This thing is very heavy. I'm at a bad angle here. Basically just needs to be showing. There it goes. That's a good enough angle. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I guess I loosened it up when I was hitting. Okay, yeah, you just hit the tire until it basically just pops out, as you just noticed. Let me get the camera. Yeah, it loosened up. Yeah, and the reason you leave the bolts on there, like I said, you don't want the tire popping out with force and flying around. Alright, so thanks, and leave any comments and let me know what you think.